Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Round Health Medication Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Round Health is a medication management app designed to help users stay consistent with their prescriptions, vitamins, and supplements. It's built for simplicity, using a clean circular timeline interface that organizes your medications by time, making it easy to see what's due, what's been taken, and what's coming up next. The app is available on iOS and was created to make daily medication tracking effortless. The app's main feature is its visual reminder circle. Instead of traditional lists, Round Health uses an elegant design that displays medication times in a clear and intuitive layout. Users can set flexible reminder windows, add dosage information, and receive discrete notifications even when the phone is on silent. It also allows you to track your medication history and get gentle reminders if you miss a dose. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Round Health for its clean design, reliability, and ease of use. The circular reminder system helps users visually understand their day's medication schedule, reducing confusion for those managing multiple prescriptions. The app also makes it easy to log supplements and over-the-counter medications in addition to prescriptions. However, there are some drawbacks. The app is currently limited to iOS devices, and some users wish for Android support. Additionally, while it handles reminders well, it doesn't integrate with pharmacy systems or automatically track refills. Some users also report that syncing data across multiple devices is not supported, which could be inconvenient for those managing medications for family members. In summary, the Round Health app may be worth using if you want a beautifully designed, straightforward way to manage and remember your medications daily. However, if you prefer advanced features like automatic pharmacy syncing or cross-platform access, it might feel too simple for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.